Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to install a new Serpentine belt on a BMW E46, the 6-cylinder. And this is the part number right there, 6PK 1535. 605K6, and this one is for the it's a M54 motor, so it's from 2002 up, I think, until 2005, but it's almost the same procedure for the other ones as well. So what you need to do right here, you need to go on the bottom on the crankshaft, then you need to go on the power steering pump right there, make sure that it goes on the power steering pump, and then from the crankshaft you go to that pulley right there, and from there you go to the water pump. And now you need to go underneath this one right here, and the only thing left now is the alternator, but we need to use a 8mm Allen wrench right there, and you need to go in the tensioner pulley right there in the center and go to the right. And now you go to the right and you give us enough slack to just jump it on the alternator. If it's a new belt, they tend to be a little bit not stretched yet, so okay, right there you need to make sure that it lines up with all the grooves, and you just let go and the belt is right there installed. So that's pretty much the procedure for installing the belt. We also have about replacing the pulleys on our channel, so keep watching, check our videos out, and you'll be able to see how to replace all the pulleys if they're noisy. Then we're going to show you how to install the belt, the air conditioner belt on the BMW E46. So you need to go on the pulley, on the air conditioner compressor right there, and you need to use T60, that's the star-like wrench, and you need to go down there on the tensioner. There is a slot for it, you'll be able to find it. Okay, that's the old tensioner, so you can see that's where the wrench goes, right there. So you go with the wrench right there now, and you go to the right, and you just install the belt on the crankshaft right there, and you make sure that it lines up good, it's in the grooves, and then all you need to do is just release the tensioner. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.